Norway's state-owned fossil fuel company used to be called Statoil. After paying an Oslo-based vet for the naming rights, they changed their name to Equinor, and now they describe themselves as a broad energy company. But they sell 99.4% fossil fuels and 0.6% renewables. A fair few people have noticed that big tech is using a similar tactic to greenwash, and I was supported by a range of organizations to investigate further. Corporations love saying that AI is going to solve climate change, even as these same companies blast away from their emissions targets. What we found is that the majority of energy consumption for machine learning, which has been slapped with the marketing label AI, is going to stem from AI that uses massive data sets of old information to generate new versions of that information, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Traditional AI is way less energy hungry and it's narrow, stuff like better weather forecasts or grid management. I collected up 154 separate claims of climate benefits for AI from organizations like the International Energy Agency or companies like Google and Microsoft. We found that almost all of the claims relate to traditional AI, the less energy hungry type, rather than generative AI, which is where most of the problems come from. So when a company like Microsoft says the benefits of AI will undo the harms caused by data centers, it's like a company that builds 500 human lasagna class cruise ships saying, don't worry about the damage done by these 500 city-sized pollution bombs. It'll be undone by our new bicycle sales department. What we're seeing is the equivalent of companies saying that you can't have cruise ships without bicycles. Completely different machine learning tools are all being packaged under the one vague AI label. Reject that coupling. You don't have to accept the massive problem if you want the small solution. We found that the evidence for benefits is kind of weak, and the evidence for harm is very strong. Companies should be deciding to stay within planetary boundaries, and if they don't, we are the ones who pay the cost. What are you actually doing inside that huge, massive, mysterious data center? What percentage of your energy growth actually related to applications that are being used to solve climate change? Go check out my report. It is packed with so many goodies, and I know that you'll enjoy it.